Want to spoof location in Monster Hunter Now? Open MagFone Location Changer and click Start, then connect your phone to the computer via USB or Wi-Fi and follow the on-screen instructions to enable developer mode for your Android model. Next, switch to game mode and tap the Monster Hunter Now icon so MagFone applies the GPS changes directly to the game. MagFone offers 5 GPS change modes. Change location mode lets you drag the map pin and teleport instantly. Two-spot mode creates a straight route between 2 points and can simulate walking or driving at a custom speed. And joystick gives you a live on-screen stick for flexible, real-time movement. Pick the mode that matches your goal and set the movement speed before you start. If you're on iPhone, connect your device to the computer and follow the desktop prompts to pair via Bluetooth. When the phone's Bluetooth pop-up appears, tap to pair and accept. For larger location jumps over about 20 kilometers, temporarily turn off location services, cellular data, and Wi-Fi on the iPhone. Wait around 10 seconds, then re-enable them and finally go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset location and privacy to complete the change. Once your virtual position is active, you can use teleport, route simulation, or the joystick to move around, collect resources, and join hunts just like normal.